What's up, beautiful people? It's yours truly, 876 by birth, and welcome to another Driving Through Jamaica.
What's up, beautiful people? It's here, it's truly 876 by birth, as you just heard in the intro. And right about now, we're there in the Kingston area, and we're headed to Portmore, isn't it? Yeah, man. Yeah, my people, we're headed here, we're headed to Portmore. Isn't me? Would I say we're there? Which part exactly? Would I call you so now? Like close to Kingston Spring roadside. That's how we basically there, alright? Yeah.
In 800 meters, turn right on West Kings House Road.
Yeah, man, so we are going to head to, we're going to take it down Robin side and go around and thing. I don't know this already, Marcus Garvey Drive, Mandela Highway. You see me? And go around. Yeah, you know I think already. I didn't pass away I take it. You see me? Regular route. You know I think go. Yeah, we are going for Upper Waterloo Road right now. Yeah.
Red light camera reported ahead. In 300 meters, turn right.
So right about now, my people, it's Sunday. Yeah, you don't know the weekend, you see it? Yeah, man.
Turn right on West Kings House Road.
Don't know the the white windshield wiper them out, you know, every day of the week, you know. So this is a BMW, so them a wipe the glass and you know them a go big car. Once them see so-called high-end vehicle pop up, yeah, them a go look at thing, you see me? Yeah, get that thing. I come like a base silver them get. Like a base silver the man give man, you know. Well, you know the windshield wiper them always like old people and always I say this, I'm not gonna have a GPS speed because I don't even know why I'm having it on, you know. But yeah. The windshield wiper them always out. As me say, yo, me always prefer to see them yesterday than them are the wrongs in the people. You see it? Better them are they on the little hustling right there. So, you know what I say? Yeah, man, better them do that. Nah, I'm gonna lie to you. You see it? Yeah. Straight ahead in front of your Ministry of Justice. Yeah. At one point I heard that they were paying rent for over here, but I don't know what truth be people. Cause you know right now everybody across the government, you know, so some things are probably not going to say here, you know. But we hear say at one point they were pay $17 million for rent over here, so, and you don't know one of them friend. And one of them friend own the building. You see me? Yeah. Yeah, I think, I mean, as when me hear me, I say, why you want to pay $17 million a month? For the year, how much money that? You could have just build a building for yourself, man. You see me? Yeah. Actually, I remember if that building here did all come up for the year. You must say a good all it too. And then me just say, the people, no, I don't think of this. I suppose one building for some constitution, something did actually come up. And they must say, it's not fully occupied, but them are rent, them are pay rent fees. But boy, I mean, tell you that the people, the government, I don't know, them don't really care about people, yeah, man. Them rather do some little things for them and them friend. And yeah, that's how I feel, that's how I see it. Do some things for them and them friend, and then yeah. And I drive out, you know, brother. People want to tell us I'm hungry too, you know, I never have nothing, I never have no breakfast from morning. I mean, I drink a hot cup of tea still. Yeah. But that was it basically so far. Nothing else. My friend lives somewhere down there, so you know, I said I should have go link her, you know, but okay, I should go link her for some breakfast. Yeah, that's what I say. Yeah, I should go link her for some breakfast, you know, so should I give it? Can't bother, I have something to go deal with too. I have some things I need to do tonight Sunday, so I can't even go link her neither. You know, you go and chat and, you know, like a way and all them good things, so not even a bother go. So yeah, people, I wonder what I'm going to get for breakfast. I wonder if I'm going to get some Burger King. Get a burger, like a sandwich. That day I meet funny people, like go get a sandwich or something. Yeah. And sometimes when you got them fast food place, you know, takes so long to get your food. Boy, spot you know out here with speed chop, you know, always out here with speed chop. Boy, I tell you, them police here, them boy, I don't know about, yo, Jano, boy, yo, I'm tired for cuss the police them here, man. Tired for cuss them. But my genuine feeling is when they are out here on the streets, it's not necessarily for enforce and for, you know, ensure say the public, you know, uphold public safety and them little thing there. I don't really think say that. That's why them there. Not them ever hide and them look something there. Like, why we hide? Why police need for hide? I think your presence should be seen so people feel safe and wrongdoers kind of don't want to do wrong. Because when they do, why we not hide? And them can't prevent crime by hiding. And then me never, yo, I'm time because the police then, yeah, man. Time because police. Yeah, I'm time because the police them, yeah, man. God no. Can't bother. Honestly, me can't bother. You see me? Cause me don't know, like me, I hungry place, me see police hide. If you try to go in for a man now, like you conduct a raid or you set up a sting or something, then unless maybe it's a sting operation. Maybe it's a sting them a set up where people why them hide and then them catch you. Oh, we got you. I mean anyway, I'm saying I'm tired because the police them. I can't bother. Why I want to them man there? I tell you know when them beg one drive, you know, and borrow one car, you know. Because I don't think a man in them right mind would drive their vehicle like this. Yeah, you can know when them beg a drive or borrow a car, man. I tell you. Because I say people in them right mind not do that. Not do that. People who own them vehicle now drive them vehicle like some of them, man. Honestly. Think one Burger King over here, so you know. Feel me, I grab a sandwich over here, so yeah, one Burger King over here, so. Because I mean Burger King they are Portmore too, but I don't have to go turn off. You know, come off from a route instead of going straight home. So, I think I'm gonna just go to the Burger King here, so grab the burger. Yeah. I think from Burger King they were at the back part of the plaza. It's a Boulevard Shopping Center or Boulevard Super Center as the sign I say. No, this is on Washington Boulevard across from the cheese factory. Yeah, who never know Jamaica have a cheese factory. Tasty cheese wanna see? Yeah. And the Tasty they're not affiliated with the patty company, none at all. Different people. Different, total different entity, alright? Yeah. Alright, so you have KFC line. The KFC drive-thru. No, I just remember say one gate did all the opposite. Yeah, you think you have a back gate somewhere opposite, you know, could have come through too. But then I don't even know if it all open either. Because some of them places them lock up certain places on the day them consider slow. Yeah. Islandville there too. It's an Islandville, but it looks like the drive-thru lock right now, I don't know. Open them in the highway. Yeah, the gate open. Okay. One people are shopping center are big, you know. Yeah, man, huge. NCB Bank they over here too. Right when this will come in out past the Beverly machine security them. One bank they right there, sir. with an ATM, so I guess they must service it. So I remember I found a supermarket over here too. You know, I not even remember. I don't remember I found a supermarket over here too, you know. Supermarket over here? Remember the back right there, so one look like one supermarket over here. I don't remember still here, man, people. That's how it go. And them fast food places are them slow, you know, people. Them slow. Like, me like, I know fast food in ourselves. Like, why so slow? Try look at me, can I find the change where me I buy, cause yeah, look like me find it. People never see how long me in this a fast food line. I tell you now, some of the probably might not even just gone from the video to how long me in this line. Line long, man. Them slow, me mean. How when the line are long, them slow, me I tell you, people. Slow, that's one of the problem, me I tell you. Them fast food places, huh? I better me go in there, you know. I know if I go in there, I get too quick, you know, because the Burger King, them don't really have much walk-ins. Mostly driving. Yeah, mostly drive through. Yeah, them don't really have much walking. Oh, I see some car up on the outskirts also to still, so might be all I see improvement in the good have full nice Sunday morning. You know? Maybe these people want, you know, I come have Burger King breakfast. Cause yeah, people do that, you know, people come to Burger King for breakfast, you know. Especially on the weekend, Saturday and Sunday. Oh my word. Full. But I don't know, like them fast food places, I don't know why them take so long. Like I can't fathom why them take so long. Like you got one party place, you got one like burger place, all them places. I don't know why them take so long. Like, I don't know. It don't make no sense. Them drive through here take forever, mama. Nah lie to them. You know, them have signposts up under something, you know. Let me see what them say. Oh, them tell us that them speaker are not work. The intercom not working at the moment. Sorry for any inconvenience this may cause. Alright, Jamaica boy. Some little something never not work yet. Them little small thing I may say, you know, the little simple upkeeping are the little thing them. And so Jamaica say, and then when them see, and this a pay for your pay so well, it's a good morning, but me still not take that. It's gonna pay support you from how long. Telling the people. So right now I get an American combo. That me a free right now. But them sell breakfast people like hash brown and them little thing the egg sandwich. All them little thing them sell breakfast, and as I say, a lot of persons with surprise to know them come get breakfast. Yeah. But them need to work on them speed, man. Them fast food places, them need to work on the speed of how them serve. Like, it can't be that hard. You know everything you wanna have, you know where people come from. They must have a pattern, they must have a trend. You see me? Yeah. Must have a pattern and they must have a trend.
Hello, good day, guys. Hello?
Yes, can get a American combo?
Sure.
You have grape?
Yeah.
Yeah, like a grape soda with not much ice.
So American combo grape,
Yeah, not much ice, light ice.
Alabama fish,
Yes, that's it.
140.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Alright, people. So, I tell you, no say a long time that sitting a pace up here saying, no, because the intercom a work back now. It a work. So this a sitting a pace up on this. So I tell you, say intercom now work. But it a work. So, you see me? So that for sure say I never this man in the pace there. But I'm glad for know it a work still. Cause yo, we need to have the thing them up and running. Like we can't make a country look so. Like every little place I got some little thing. Hey people, Jamaica have one thing, you know. You say you're going for pay a card, God go with you. It's like how in America where them tell us when they want to see a card decline, you know say you ain't got the money. You see me? So Jamaica, yo, I see the people them all hold up the machine them in our ear. I say what I do? We search for signal. The card machine, them a hold it up all in the ear, them a search for signal. They got a gas station, you see the pump attendant them out there with them hand up in the ear and the machine that them hand a wave. What them a do? Search for signal. Some crazy shit. Then them have a style too when they go to the machine them. When they go for pay. Whether supermarket, wherever. Them a borrow machine from the next cashier. And all them things. Them are like, why you only need to borrow the machine them do? Like we can't get as much machine for as much cashier. Like me don't know, like it can't that bad. Like even if you pay rental for the machine, them the company them have to make money for pay for that shit. Me know them a make money. So they need to stop the foolishness. Plus when you go there, machine now work, connectivity issue. Boy, Jamaica really, I don't know, I really island, like you know, most I visit when I visit the islands, people say, oh, you know, everything is slow paced and island time and no urgency for nothing. Boy, really true. You come from a fast paced place, trust me, you really have to go just kind of relax and just, yeah, you know, slow down. Cause boy, may I tell you, it's serious. Yeah man, it's serious man.
Hello?
See, they should have to say hello because because nobody knows, because they just sign on the machine say it's not working, so nobody knows that it's working. Nobody knows that it's working. You see me? Based on the sign. I didn't know say it work. People, me I look on about 1, 2, 3, 4 cars in front of me. YouTube telling me somebody wants to log in to my account. Okay. Hey people, the sun hot out here, you know. Not telling a lie. I look on the temperature, I just ask Siri. Hey Siri, what's the temperature?
It's about 88 degrees outside.
88 degrees. And it's what, 11:30 right now. Let me see what it feels like, what it feel like I say. Okay, I know when it's something feel like different. So it feels like about 92 degrees. 30% chance of rain today. It might not even rain. Might not even rain. I'm telling the people, yeah, yo, Jamaica, hot. Scorching and it's humid. I tell you, just there in the shade and I sweat. Yeah, man. People like seriously doing it. So how long am I in that drive-through line, eh? So what caused the problem? Because from up there, so you suppose them probably don't even have a dedicated person to pack the drive-through food, you know. Yeah. Might not. And probably just use one pack around there to pack inside and outside. Probably that's the case. Because me no see no way why it trying to take so long. Like, I can't understand why it need to take so long. I want drive through. It's ridiculous, man, I'm telling you. And then people, you know, them man have a style now. They make the juice them and pack them up down there. Now, they know the juice. Me don't know the juice, but you know the soda thing go some line them have. Where do it? Maybe them have some powder, the flavor or whatever, the syrup. I don't know what them have it. But what me can tell you now, say, how them a mix the soda them nowadays from them fast food places, it nah mix good, it insipid. So them have the acid strong in it and there's no flavor. So it's like you drink acid water, citric acid, it's bland. It's not even sweet, nothing. You see me? It's just bland. So, me no know. And then now what them do now, they mix it, them full up the cup them, and then them put them for to stand up out this. And put them down. So the ice melt out tonight, make it even taste further insipid. You see me? Yeah. Ice melt out tonight, make it taste even way further insipid. You're like, yo, what the hell is this? Yeah, man. I tell the people, I mean, they come up to them and this and that. They want to get a little taste bad juice. We done already taste bad and then put it out for hot tonight. But most of them put it for hot. Kudu for cool. For cool. Kudu for cool. Alright, so the car in front of the car your driveway. You could see if when the brother done cash it, when him pull up him have to get him food same time. Let me see if him still have to go wait. Some long length of time. Unless them a buy something different, cause them what the purpose you stop up this and put in your order them for them. Judge you know. Alright, so how long him did it? I gotta see if we really have to go wait when him go down this, you know. I gotta see this, you know, if him really have to go wait when him come down this. That more I have to see. Cause me not like people, would I reach a Portmore already? Me I tell you no would I reach a Portmore already. With the long time I was there and I was there so. I reach a Portmore long time people. But then you go over this so now I have to go turn off and then the next drive through I same thing too. I'm gonna take forever too. I'm gonna take the whole day. Go on, brother, go on. Hello, man. American. Yeah. Thanks. Cause I think say, me I tell you no, I think them have to go wait. I think them have to go wait. Cause I say him food supposed to be there. Should he not stop, then just put out here and then just drive and take it and go on. Judge you know. Brother, where you want to go in the car, brother? Go on, man. Bless up.
Yes, sir.
What the ice cream? Can we tell the catch it?
Right.
Alright, respect. Yeah, man. Oh man, I'm telling the people some long thing. Oh yeah man, the supermarket around here, so yeah. It's called Lee's. Change from different things. Cause one time I know I did one shoppers fear used to around here, so I got it. Alright people, so we eat these fries, yeah? people never know that takes so long. God no. Go on, no, brother. Come on here. Don't take part of the jail boat. Forgive me if I go quiet for one people, but I did eat, you see me? I don't want to bite my tongue. Alright people, so yeah. Basically back on track, you know. Fried tastes good, people. Sometimes you buy burger or whatever from the fast food place and the food never tastes fresh. So does that take a time and I go in, people, you see me? Yeah, man. So take a little time and I go in, you see it? Yeah. Alright people, I run a little small errands so I got the ATM and thing, but I think this is how I'm gonna bring the video to a close, you know. I don't know the thing going on. Bless up on yourself, you know, you see me? Yeah man. You don't know 876 by birth, you know. Do remember to like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel, my people. When you don't know the thing going on, bless up on yourself, you know, my people. You see me? Later, I'm out. Alright? Yeah, I'm out. Cool? Big up.